Welcome to Coding Sig Flakes 30 of 40, Scratch Part 3, Sequencing. So in this screencast, I'm going to show you the importance of sequencing when you're writing a program, an interactive program. Let's just fire up Scratch, and I'll be using Scratch version 2. It's the offline editor version, but you can use the online editor version. It's the same thing. Okay. Now, for this exercise, to show a bit of sequencing, I want to get Scratch moving. So let's just get Scratch moving. Make sure you're on the motion syntax. Drag it across and put in make it 100 steps. So Scratch moves 100 steps. Click on the bubble or the block, and it does that. But I want Scratch to go back to the beginning, so go back to the center. Goes back to the center and moves 100 steps. Okay, back to the center. Now, I want to show that the sequence of the sequence of the blocks are quite significant, very important. So to do that, let's just draw a line. So if I draw a line with a pen, by default the pen's up, but I want to put the pen down. Pen down, and then we do the same thing. Let's break it apart for now. So Scratch is in the middle of the screen, pen down, move. It draws a line. Okay, let's just clear that for the exercise. Double click that. Let's go back to the center of the screen. Still a line, pins down, that's why. Do the pin up to lift it up, clear the screen, and we can put those blocks together in a little while. So, the important part is we need Scratch to go to the middle of the screen, so pen's up by default, then Scratch puts the pen down, then moves 100 steps, and then put the pen up again, because you can move from there. You don't want lines drawn all over the place. Okay, and we'll put a message to say we've done that. So let's put a message. This message is going to last for 2 seconds. We should put on there, this is a line. How's that for 2 seconds? Okay, let's just play the program again. Goes to the beginning, draws a line, 100 steps in, and puts a message up. So that works really well. I don't need this clear button anymore. Let's get rid of it. Now, the user is not going to see the code at all. When the program's published, it's only going to see this panel here, the start and stop of the program. Okay, so I need to indicate that I need some sort of control, or actually some event. For this particular event to occur, when the flag's hit, it will happen. So what the user does is hit the flag, and it happens, which is great. Okay, now I need to show the importance of sequence. So what I'm going to do is copy this block or duplicate this block with the right mouse button, duplicate, and I'm going to put it out of sequence. That's correct. This one is not going to be correct. If I was to put the say pen down after I've moved, you are not going to see any lines. Right, let's just actually, I do need to clear for now. Let's clear it all. Okay, and let's just break this apart. Now this is the incorrect sequence. This is a line, but there's no line there. This is the correct sequence. It's a line, there is a line there. Why? Because it's got pen down before you move. This one's pen down after you move. The sequence is wrong. So logical error here as opposed to syntax. Syntax errors are well non-existent in Scratch because they've got them in snap blocks. Snap blocks take care of syntax errors, which is great for kids. But logical errors still exist. If you haven't got the right logic of how the steps will occur, you get the wrong errors. Let's put it all together. Now I don't need clear. The flags will start off the correct line, and it's going to be, well, there is no line here. Alright, that's going to last for 2 seconds. Now, I'm going to fire up that event when the spacebar, not when the flag, but when the spacebar is hit. Choices here. Arrows, whatever, only the spacebar. Okay. Now, I have to let the user know that there's got to be a spacebar hit, otherwise the program doesn't continue. So I need another message. And let's put a message here. Hit spacebar. Now, unlike the message above, it lasts for 2 seconds and disappears. This one stays forever until the user hits the spacebar. Spacebar, and there is no line here. We do see a line because it's running on top of each other, so I actually have to move this down. Let's move it down minus 100 pixels. So let's go down a level just to show that one draws a line and one doesn't. Let's draw it again. Hit this, the flag. This is a line. Hit spacebar. Let's drop down 100. There's no line there. Okay. So that's it for now. Just showing you the importance of sequencing, where just having pen down before the move and pen down after the move makes a difference to the program. One's correct, one's incorrect. Thank you for watching.